Hello everyone, I have another custom-made tool for Revit and MWF. So again, if you don't have MWF, unfortunately you can't use this tool. So you can go to structuresolutions.com and request a free trial and you can test it for yourself. Here I have some panels created with MWF. I want to create bill of materials, schedules for this tool, for these panels. I can just go view and create a schedule and apply filters for just one panel. But if I need to do this one for 4 panels, I need to apply filters for 4 times. So with this tool we will change that. First, we have a sample schedule here. This is important. You have to create your sample schedule like what you want, and then you have to apply 2 filters. One is to exclude panel label. The second one is to apply panel filter, panel name filter. When you create this one and when you run this new tool, simply it's just going to copy this one and apply new filters and it's going to create a new schedule, new bill of material for the selected panel. Let's select this panel one and run the tool, and here we have panel 1 bill of material. Let's do it for another panel. Select any panel number, run the tool. It is just going to create another bill of material, another schedule. Let me undo twice, and I will use this tool for multiple panels. You can select all the panels and run the tool. It is just going to create all the schedules for selected panels. So we have panel 3, and also we have a floor panel schedule. So again, I've used Python programming language for this tool and PythonShell, RevitPythonShell, and pyRevit. Again, I will share a link and you will reach my readme section on my repository or readme file, and from this file you can just follow the links and you can get detailed information about these tools. How you can get this one? Again, I will share a link, and if you follow this link you will see 2 files. One of them is a readme file. Again, briefly, it's just briefly explaining how this tools works, and then the first one, this file is basically the code itself. Again, you can just copy this code and place it to RevitPythonShell and it will work, or you can follow the links on readme file and you can learn more about pyRevit, and you can create your own tab and you can place your button on your Revit ribbon. So I hope this tool will help you, and if you have any questions or any comments, I would love to hear them. Thanks for watching. Bye.